Matthew with StartTheProfit.com, and I'm going to show you guys a very simple, easy app I'm using to make some money, and you guys are going to absolutely love this because you're going to get $5 just for getting the app. All right, so make sure you guys get with this. Do not run away from free money because this is super easy. What we're actually doing is we're promoting an app called Square Cash. It's basically a cash app which allows us to send money person to person. Okay, and the main reason someone would use an app like this is that, let's just say you're out eating dinner with a friend and you want to split the bill, okay? But nobody has cash. All they have is debit cards. So you can basically just send money using the app off your debit card to your friend to cover your cost of their meal. That's an ideal situation to use the app, but what we're doing is we're leveraging the referral program where we make $5 for signing up and we get $5 for anybody we get involved into the app. I'm going to show you guys that it actually works here because I just got a $5 bill a couple minutes ago, and the way it works is simple. They join up, they follow my instructions, and they get $5. All right, here's $5, and I'm going to show you guys some more. It's $5, $5. So what you're going to do if you want to get started with this, all you're going to do is just get my referral link, and that's not it. 1 second here. Here you go. You're going to click on the page. Now it's very important that you guys copy this code here. This is the code that's going to allow you to get your free $5. So whatever it is on the screen, I think it changes this. Just make sure you copy it, okay? Next thing you're going to do is get the app. You're going to download it, install the app, okay? You're going to link your debit card. Now, it has to be a bank debit card or a card with a chip on it. It does not work with any other cards, I believe, so make sure it's the proper card for this to work, guys. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. But copy this code down because you're going to need it in a few minutes, all right? Get everything set up, and once you get installed and get inside the app, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the icon in the top left corner. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's going to be a place for you to enter the code in, right? Now, I've already entered my rewards code in, so there's no spot for it. So I'm just going to show you what it actually looks like when you get it yourself, okay? At the bottom of that screen, it's going to look like this, and you're going to see down there, you're going to see a link that says enter your rewards code. So all you're going to do is just click that link and paste in the code that I gave you, all right? And you're just about done, all right? Because in order to get your bonus with this app, you're gonna have to actually use it. So what most people do is they simply send me $5 or send me a couple dollars, and we'll just bounce it back and forth to accumulate $5 spent in the app. So what you're gonna do is you can just you can see my code there where it's cash symbol 585 Matt. So what you would do is send me $5, which is the fastest way. Otherwise, if you don't have money in your card, you can just ask me to send you $1, and we can bounce it back and forth that way as well. It's fine. But what you're gonna do is just hit $5, hit pay. Okay. You're gonna hit in the cash symbol real quick. My code was 585 Matt. Okay. You would just click that right there, and you would click the pay button at the top right-hand corner. All right. As soon as you send me the $5, like literally right away, seconds later, you're gonna get ka-ching in your phone, and that's gonna be $5 deposited in your account. I'm gonna get the same ka-ching. That's $5 into my account. What I'm gonna do next is to send you the $5 bill back, okay? And you guys can go out and start getting referrals. So even if you have no money in your account, but you got a debit card that's attached to a bank, what you're gonna do is just contact me, and we'll get you situated. And the best thing you can do to have the best results of this is contact me to make sure that I'm live there in the messenger or in text message or even over the phone to make sure you're doing this right. We can get these $5 bills flowing into your life. That's it, guys. Take care. Bye for now.